Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of I Prep Today. So I don't just prep food, I prep supplies. You know, soap, shampoo, toothpaste, laundry detergent. Even though you could consider laundry detergent something, hey, no, that's an everyday item. That's not a prep. Technically it is. When you consider that you're going to need it, you may need it. I don't make my own. I tried that before. It doesn't work well in a high efficiency washer. For me, anyway, especially with the well water. So we normally just use Tide. I will use other types if I have a good coupon. So let me just walk you through what I prepped today. And the first thing I got was, these are all Walmart preps, by the way. So I hope you're not totally anti-Walmart, but I love the Parents' Choice wipes. They're the most affordable wipes I can find without a coupon, Penelope. And I normally buy them by the case. They were strangely out of cases of them at Walmart. So I was going to get a 3-pack, and then I normally get the cucumber scent, and I thought, you know what, it's only a couple cents more per wipe. I don't do this all the time because I think that's important. Actually, it was a penny more wipe or less, like a tenth of a penny. Yeah, because I wouldn't have paid 80 cents more per pack, so it wasn't a penny a wipe. And I tried 2 different scents. I hadn't tried this fresh scent before, and I've not tried the shea butter. They used to have a peach one. Oh my gosh, it was so good. It smelled so good. But anyway, so I tried those, and those were $1.50 a piece. So I know if you're a couponer, you can get the Huggies and Pampers ones for free. We like to stock these up. We keep them in the bathroom. We don't flush them, but we use them a lot. So the next thing I'm going to show you that I got was this Peroxide Spray. You basically pay for the bottle. This 8-ounce peroxide was $1.23. I think, what, a 16 ounce is $1. But I like the little sprayer. I've stopped using bleach so much. Even when I show you that I bought bleach, I used to clean my sink with bleach, my tub with bleach. I've started spraying peroxide in my sink and putting some baking soda on there and just letting it sit. And it actually works. I think it's time that it needs time, where the bleach will just wash away any stains in your sink immediately. So I got that. And then the Persil was $5.24 at a $2 coupon, so I got that there. So I made it $3.24 for 40 ounces. That's just going to go in the preps. It'll just go on the shelf where we keep our preps. So I wanted to prep some more popcorn. The last time I got popcorn, I got it at Aldi, and they don't have popcorn all the time. Isn't that weird? So I checked Sam's Club while I was in the store shopping at Wally World, and it was like $50 for 48 pounds. I didn't want that. So I ended up getting this type. I got the Jolly Time white popcorn and the Great Value yellow popcorn. The Great Value 2-pound was $1.66. So what's that, 80 some cents each, 83. And then I got for the white Jolly Time was $1.86 for 2 pounds. I think that's comparable enough. I'm not gonna fight over 20 cents for 2 pounds, 10 cents a pound. I wasn't buying 1,000 pounds, right? And I wanted a variety, because you can't forget variety is very important. I don't even know why I bought it. I did. It was the bulk pack, and the last time I did a video, they didn't have this because I was in a different Walmart. But this is 365 Diphenhydramine tablets, the Walmart brand, and that was $8.76. So it was pretty cheap per caplet. And, Diphenhydramine is not only for allergy relief symptoms, but you can take this to help you sleep. It's the active ingredient in Benadryl. And my husband said in the military, they took this and they were allowed to take this because it was out of your system within 4 hours. And then because you don't always want an allergy relief, you know, that's going to put you to sleep, I grabbed another of this because it was 88 cents. They're 88 cents, guys. Yeah, I just grabbed one. And then the mucus relief. I can't say it enough. I know I say it all the time. I know I'm a broken record, but the guaifenesin is an expectorant. It relieves your chest congestion and thins and loosens mucus. Don't be caught without it. In my opinion. Oh yeah, did I say 88 cents? Yeah, they were 88 cents. So then I got another pack of Sharpie Pros. I swear these used to be called industrial because they write on wet and oily surfaces. Why I like these for writing on the Mylar is because just sometimes if the Mylar gets something on it, the regular Sharpies won't write on them. I have pretty good luck with these big fatties that I use, but I do like the Pros that I know they used to be called industrials. So that 2-pack was $5, $4.97. Then of course something to relieve cold and cough symptoms, just to make you more comfortable in case you get sick. I got this Equate Daytime, Nighttime Cough and Cold. It's the Compare to Theraflu. The Theraflu was $12 or $13. This was $6 for 12 pouches, 6 of each. So like 50 cents a pouch. I'll probably get a little bit more of that. I don't have much of that in my stocks. But while I'm on this medicine here, you know, the NyQuil and the DayQuil is really ridiculously expensive, $13 to $15. We used to buy the Walmart brand because it was half the price of the other ones. Not anymore, folks. It's way up there. It was only a couple dollars cheaper. Now, that's at my Walmart. So check your Walmart. If the Walmart version of DayQuil and NyQuil in the double pack is still only half the cost of the double pack of DayQuil NyQuil, you should probably consider stocking up on it if you take that kind of medicine. If it's not, you know what? The dollar stores, Dollar Tree, has the 4-ounce daytime and 4-ounce nighttime for $1. So it's actually now a lot cheaper to get the product at Dollar Tree than even purchasing the Equate brand for that. All right, zooming along here. Not really. I always use deodorant with no aluminum, have for quite some time now. It's an adjustment. You get used to it, and then your body gets used to it. This one, at a $3 coupon for, I thought I was going to be like, oh yeah, you know, like $5. Nope, $8 for that. But paying $5 after the coupon is approximately what I pay for the Walmart version of the aluminum-free deodorant, and it takes some money away from Walmart, even though I bought it there. So then I stocked up on a lot of shampoos. I'm not going to bore you with the shampoos. Well, maybe I will. They were like $3.47, $4 off coupon when you buy 2. So it was better than buy one, get one free. These ones were $3.47. This one in the entire store, 35% more free. Was $4 off when you buy 2. So again, it was better than buy one, get one free. And then these ones, I got 2 shampoos instead of a matching shampoo and conditioner. And those were, $3.50-ish. Yeah, $3.50. $4 off when you buy 2. And then these ones were $2.82 $4 off when you buy 2. So this one I bought the shampoo and the conditioner, and I really don't need any more shampoo in my preps. My husband and I were just discussing this the other day. Like, we want to cut back a little bit, and I said, but it's not like I'm like shampoo and conditioner. Yeah, I can definitely cut back on it, but when they are better than buy one get one free, should I? And I'm thinking, yeah, I should, because I see a lot of those crazy couponers, and you know who you are, getting their stuff for free. So I think I'm gonna stop clipping those coupons, or maybe I'll clip them and send them to them. But let me see what else I got. I got some moleskin padding. I really don't need a lot of this. I stocked up. The dollar store had it one time, but theirs were smaller ones. So I got the Equate brand with 6 sheets in there for $2.78. If you have to walk a lot, you're going to appreciate having the moleskin, and the larger sheets you can actually cut to size. I use fluoride-free toothpaste. My husband doesn't. My daughter doesn't. I try to get my grandson to, but he doesn't like the flavors. So this one was $4.97. I had a $2 coupon off that Burt's Bees toothpaste. Another thing I've noticed in the toothpaste aisle, a lot of toothpaste is just gone. Back to the back shelf. You can see the back shelf. So I'm wondering if that's the toothpaste that's made in China. A lot of videos lately that I watch have been showing what their local Walmarts are like. And I hadn't noticed that too much, but since I saw those videos, I'm starting to see bare shelves. Like, a lot of toothpaste was gone. The wipes, gone. There was plenty of shampoo. Yeah, so let's go on here. I did buy bleach. Even though I'm trying to stay away from bleach, I use it in my whites. I have to, especially for the dog item whites, and then my rags and things, and my white towels and my kitchen towels. I definitely use bleach on those. This is the one we use, 93 cents. This is what I prefer. I actually have started using these concentrated bleach tablets, and this container right here is $2.86, and there's 32 tablets in it, so it'll be do 32 loads. So it's pretty expensive when you compare it to that right there. And what I would love to do is to figure out how much Pool Shock to use in my laundry to get that, so I don't have to buy bleach, and I'll just sprinkle in some Pool Shock. But then again, it's still the toxicity that I'm trying to get rid of a little bit. A lot, yeah. And then the last thing I'm going to show you here is this sunburn relief gel with aloe. This is by the Sunscreen, and they still have this. And this is $4, $3.98 I think it was. So it's 20 ounces. Now, if you go over to the normal place where they sell burn items, you'll find pretty much the exact same product in half the size for the same price. Now, I say pretty much the exact same product. It has aloe. It has lidocaine. However, on the smaller one, the #1 ingredient is aloe, and the #1 ingredient on the larger one is water. Now, we've used this always for sunburn, and it's fine. I like it. And when you use aloe on a burn, you kind of want to put it on and pat it on. You're not going to take it on a burn, a sunburn, or any burn and rub it in. So I feel like having water on a burn with aloe is beneficial. This is going to last you longer if you have a large area to cover. By all means, though, if you need the other one, get it. But I feel like this is just going to be the better deal all the way around. So that's it. That's what I prepped today. And if I show you more shampoo that I bought, please tell me to stop buying shampoo. Oh my gosh. Just the coupons are like really good coupons. So I buy it. But I have given some to my son. Oh my gosh, his hair looks so good now. He's like, wow, I like that shampoo. What'd you give me? I said, I don't know. I buy so much different shampoo. But that's it. that's what I prepped today, and let me know in the comments, what did you prep today? And be blessed, everyone.